What's up, ladies and gentlemen, this is your boy LB and welcome back to my new tutorial video. So here I'm gonna show you how I color grade this clip in Premiere Pro only. So I use the Sony Alpha 7 Mark IV with 20 to 70 lens millimeter 2.8. So I use some LUT in order to create this look, and if you just want that LUT, you can download it in the link description down below. It's free, and here I'm gonna show you step by step how I create this look in Premiere Pro. So now come on and let's get jump on it. Let's see how to do it. Yo, what's up, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my new tutorial video. In this video I'm gonna show you how I create these. Guys, make sure you are in color workspace as usual, okay? And first I'm going to open up this creative. So here I'm gonna use the Rec 709, okay, for first time, which am I going to use. So I have to open up this creative and let me browse on my Rec 709 where it is. This is the LUT which am I going to use. If you want, please, you can check it. You can check it in the link description down below. It's free. And then let me just open up. So now this is after. Okay. So that was before, and then this is after. So and let me close this creative. So and I'm going to start giving my own look. Okay. So first I have to increase the contrast. Okay, they still have some flat image, looks like somehow. Okay, let me just open up this basic correction and let me increase this a small contrast like this. Okay, and let me give them like white balance in yellow mode, okay, or just brown mode, something like that. Okay, and about the highlight I can just reduce some things. Okay, few. Okay, this is good. So let me just close this basic correction, and I'm going to give it my own look. So let me open up these curves, okay, and I'm going to use these who versus who versus sat, and who versus loma. Okay, so here let me start it by this who versus who, and I'm going to select the green, the whole green, okay, mixed with yellow, and I have to move it down something like this. Even let me pick just a few yellow to move it down, looks like this one. Okay, I just want the green, the green, yes, this one. Okay, even I come here for this hover sat, I will not increase the saturation of it. Okay, so I have to move, down, okay, to reduce the saturation of this, yes, of this green, something like this, guys. You see what is happening. Okay, and then so let me see before and after. Yes, this is before, then this is after. Okay, let me, guys, just come back here on this hover Luma 2. Okay, same as this one. Okay, I have to move it down. Okay, guys, it's like the same. Okay, you see what it is happening. Okay, and then let me just close these who settings or curves. Okay, and let me just come back here on this creative, and I'm going to give them like, yes, sharpen. Guys, I like the footage which has, yes, more sharp. Even like this, it has the more sharp. Okay, but I like to give them another sharp. Okay, looks like this. This is really nice. And let me give them a small vibrance. Guys, you see how this clip it is looking. Yeah, this is really nice. Okay, and then let me just close this creative. Okay, and let me open up this HCLR secondary. Okay, about this HCL secondary, it is about, guys, you know, it is about the skin tone. Okay, I have to choose this red as usual and enable this color gray. Okay, and make sure the skin is gonna be selected well. Okay, something like this, guys. Okay, yeah, something like this, guys. Okay, 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 som All right, so this is clean, okay, and then let me enable this noise, this denoiser, and this blur in this way. Okay, you have to smooth it in order, yes, okay, you have to smooth it, and then just let me close this color gray, okay, and I'm going to give them my, yes, the skin tone color here. I have to increase this temperature on this hoovers, yes, on this HCLR secondary. Okay, now you see what it is happening, and then here I have to increase the bright of my skin tone, yes, in this way, guys. Okay, this is really good. Even you can use this wheel, there is no problem. Okay, and then here too, if you just want, you can increase the saturation of your skin tone, there is no problem. Okay, so, and let me just close this HCLR. Okay, and let me open up this vignette. Let me increase this amount of this vignette in order to, yes, add the edges of, yes, this frame looks like this. Okay, you can just add more, just depend why the kind of this vignette you want. Okay, so let me come back here on this basic correction, and let me just decrease or reduce this white balance. It was affected on this t-shirt. I think you have been see it when you increase it. Now you see this, how what this t-shirt it is happening. So I have to reduce just a little bit. Now you see what my clip it is happening. Okay, so, and when you come back here on these curves, guys, okay, about this green, okay, so you see this is enough for me. Okay, even you can just increase the saturation of it. Maybe it's depend why the kind of the look you want. Okay, but for me, I just want this art, okay, to not be saturated. Okay, so let me end it by these color wheels. Okay, so I have to increase the shadow. Okay, yeah, this is clean. Okay, and then about the highlight, I have to move it down here. Okay, you see what the kind of the look I want. So as usually the mid-tone, it must go here on this side in order to prevent my skin tone. Okay, so now this is what I get on my flame. Okay, so, and on these curves too, I can just move it up right here and then move it down. I need the pure contrast, yes, the, yes, pure or clean contrast. Okay, and then guys, you have to check it. Okay, you have to make sure there is no things which it is over contrasted. Okay, so yes, okay, and then let me check it before and after. So that was my clip before, yeah, that's really bad. Okay, and then this is what I get, guys. Okay, this is my final look. All right, guys, so I hope this is very helpful to you, and please subscribe in order to get more lessons about editing in Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, and After Effects. And I know this video is going to be helpful to you, so if you like it, please subscribe, like, share, and drop the comment down below. Let me know what you think. So I will see you in next video. Peace.